Welcome to Phylo. In this screencast, I'm going to show you how to use Phylo Jobs, our free online listing of job openings in philosophy. We're looking at the front page of Phylo here at phylo.info, and to get to Phylo Jobs, we're going to click on this Jobs link right up at the top of the page. Phylo is loading our data to get the latest job postings for us, and there we go. We're going to scroll down and take a look at the list of job openings here. And let's take a look at, say, this one here from UC San Diego. You can see that UCSD is looking for someone at any of these ranks, assistant, associate, or full professor. They're looking to hire someone for a tenure-track job. Under AOS, we see 4 fields listed: philosophy of mind, philosophy of cognitive science, philosophy of neuroscience, and philosophy of language. This does not mean that you need to specialize in all of these areas to qualify for this job. It just means that the job ad mentions every one of those areas. Right? So they'll have to look at the details to see exactly what combinations they're interested in. The same thing would go for AOC if there were multiple fields listed there. Each job has an apply by date here. This may be a hard deadline, or it may just be the date by which you must submit your application to be assured full consideration. And to find out more, we're going to click here to show details, and you'll get the full text of the job ad. This is going to tell you exactly what combination of specializations the job is looking for, maybe what kind of teaching requirements they need. They'll tell you whether this is a hard deadline or not, and they'll give you more information about how to apply. If you want to follow up on any of this, get more information, or verify this against an external source, there is a source link down here at the bottom of every ad. We do check the information in the job postings against the source link before we publish the job to be sure that the job postings on Phylo Jobs are accurate and legitimate. But what makes Phylo Jobs really helpful is that it's searchable. So we're going to go scroll back to the top of the screen here. And we have 2 search options, a full text search and an advanced search. The full text search lets you do a live search of the entire text of every ad on the page. So suppose you wanted to look for jobs that mention the phrase liberal arts somewhere in the job ad. We're just going to type the phrase liberal arts in here into the search box, and there we go. We get 10 job listings related to liberal arts. Each one of these job listings will contain the phrase liberal arts somewhere in the ad. There's the phrase for Allegheny College, it's a liberal arts college. Right? You could also search for, say, places, or if you're interested in, say, pre-law programs, you could search for pre-law, and there you go. Here's one that has pre-law in the job ad. If you're done with that, you can either click Reset All Filters right there, or just clear that search box. We're back to all of our ads. The other search option is our advanced search. You're going to click on this advanced search link right there, and open up a whole set of facets by which to explore the job listings we have. Right. Now, if you choose options in multiple facet boxes here, you're going to do a conjunctive search, an AND search. So here we're searching for jobs for assistant professors and jobs that are tenure track. We also want jobs that are in large cities and jobs that are also at doctoral or research universities. That may or may not mean the program offers a PhD in philosophy, but the institution does grant doctoral degrees. Now, within any one of these facets, if you select the box next to multiple options, you're going to get a disjunctive search within that facet. So we're going to click here, and we have added mid-sized cities. So now we're looking for jobs in either large or mid-sized cities. You can also filter by specialization. Right? So suppose you're an Aristotle scholar. Well, you don't want jobs in Asian philosophy or business ethics. Those don't apply to you. So you're going to click ancient philosophy. But it's also worth scrolling through and seeing whether people have listed jobs under any other heading. Greek philosophy, that's promising. History of ancient, that's promising. And again, this is a disjunctive search. We're looking for jobs that mention ancient philosophy or Greek philosophy or history of ancient. When you've selected all of the options that you like here, you can close these facets by clicking Advanced Search or Remember Your Data, or your search options. And you're going to see 6 job listings that meet all of these criteria. So these 6 jobs are jobs for assistant professors in a tenure track in large or mid-sized cities at doctoral research universities for someone specializing in history of ancient, or Greek philosophy. When you're all done or want to start a new search, you can just click Reset All Filters right here, and you're back to the full 77 job listings that we had so far. That's it for Phylo Jobs. In future screencasts, we'll show you how to use these other options up here, how to search for a job on a map, how to keep track of job search statuses with other job seekers, how to get job announcements delivered straight to you via RSS, Twitter, and more, or how to add an official job opening to Phylo Jobs. That's it. Thank you for using Phylo.